Friends, they say if you apply glue to your keyboard, it will pull out all the dirt once it dries. But this guy didn't believe the video at all, so he grabs his own keyboard and starts spreading glue all over it. Once he covers every corner, he waits for a couple of minutes to let it dry. After that, he slowly begins to peel off the glue before seeing what happened next. If you truly love your mother, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. After liking and subscribing, click on the remix button, then type D sound and watch something magical happen. But when he started to remove the glue, it didn't come off like in the video. Even after an hour, it was stuck. Frustrated, he finally gave up and threw the whole keyboard away.